Tread cautiously, they are not necessarily your enemies. The 23rd of August 2025. Spread the Love. By Newsday editorial. An important dimension of Nelson Chamisa's support base warrants careful consideration within the framework of political behavior and voter psychology. There exists a segment of the electorate that, while not ideologically or emotionally aligned with Chamisa, nonetheless desires his political success primarily as a means to an end. The removal of ZANU-PF from power. Their antipathy toward the ruling party is deeply rooted in historical grievances, socio-economic marginalization, and a collective experience of political disenfranchisement. The antipathy is real. From a rational choice perspective, these Zimbabweans engage in a calculated form of instrumental support. They do not embrace Chamisa uncritically, but rather view him as the most viable alternative to the incumbent regime. Their political engagement is thus characterized by conditional loyalty, tempered by skepticism born from repeated disappointments with opposition politics over time. This manifests in a cautious, sometimes cynical posture, often expressed through a retrospective "I told you so" attitude when opposition efforts falter. Such responses are coping mechanisms that help manage political disillusionment while preserving hope for systemic change. This constituency largely comprises the middle class and select elite groups, demographics that are politically salient due to their relative access to information, resources, and networks. Their political behavior underscores the complexity of opposition politics in Zimbabwe, where support is not merely emotional but strategic and contingent. For opposition actors, maintaining engagement with this group requires nuanced outreach that acknowledges their frustrations without alienating them. Burning bridges with such voters risks not only immediate electoral losses, but also the erosion of a critical constituency that aspires to democratic transformation. This segment embodies the ambivalence and conditionality inherent in opposition support within authoritarian contexts. They are rational actors who desire change, yet remain sensitive to political setbacks. Unlike the masses, they have options beyond political change. Recognizing and respecting their nuanced position is essential for any sustainable opposition strategy, aiming to build broad-based coalitions for democratic change. The fact that one does not understand them does not make them wrong, just as the fact that another believes in passion does not make them right.